Welcome to Figma Bites, a video series that aims to teach you to speed up your Figma workflow. Today we're serving up copy and paste extras that Figma gives us. For this example, we're going to iterate through a few styles for these tasty icon designs to see what we like best. We have a component built for the cone. We can come in and adjust some of the properties to play around with the style until we like it. This updates everywhere the component is used, which is great. But how do you share styles across things that don't share a common base component or shape? For this, we can copy and paste properties. Let's make this ice cream a nice strawberry flavor by coloring it pink. Adding a gradient to give some depth. We can change the lighting a bit, add a stroke to make it match the cone. We can adjust that stroke color so it looks consistent. Okay, we've done some work on this, but it isn't a component, and it doesn't update anywhere else. If we want to see this applied to another shape, we can right-click to open our menu. Hover over Copy and Paste, and then hit Copy Properties. Then we can come over to our other object, right-click again, hover to click Paste Properties. Our properties have been applied. In some situations, things don't apply as we'd expect. If we go paste these properties onto this popsicle shape, the rectangle loses its border radius. Our original ice cream shape wasn't made using border radius and held the value of 0, which was then applied to a rectangle that already had a border radius of its own. But we can always go in and quickly add that border radius back and still have saved a bit of time. To do this efficiently, we can use shortcuts. Click on the cone again and press Option-Command-C to quickly copy properties, then click the popsicle stick and press Option-Command-V to paste them. Actually, today I feel like eating mint ice cream. Let's adjust this a bit. Now, if we want to share an image of this with somebody, we would normally take a quick screenshot or maybe select the frame and export it. My favorite way is using the Copy As feature built into Figma. The most common one I use is Copy As PNG, which also happens to have a shortcut we can use. Click something you want to copy and press Shift-Command-C to copy a PNG. Then you can paste it where you need it. The other Copy As shortcuts are Copy As SVG, which gives you SVG code to paste in an editor or browser, and Copy As CSS, which will spit out the CSS attributes that make up the styles of your element. I hope this Figma Bite helps you quickly copy copious creations to collaborate with colleagues. Thanks for watching.